Good morning, guys. Sunday morning, 6 November 2022. What I'm gonna do to my birds before I pair it, I'm going to treat all the birds with tablets 4-in-1 for Kanga, for worms, just to clear up before I pair it. And I suggest you guys, before, it's very important before you pairing the birds to vaccinate all the birds. Nebula, Paramyxa, because it's more safety birds and for yourself, and plus the babies come in healthy when you start breeding. I just bolted. It's not open yet. 80 doors. And to clear the birds is very good product for any sickness birds, anything, it clears up. Gold birds, oregano, 500 ml. You can mix with a bit oil, power 10, or with a bee pura, or with a Isalaga Boots X5. And I'm gonna treat after 2 weeks again for worms, just for in case. Time to treat the birds, it's right now. Six to 8 weeks before you pair it. Took away the water, and I'm not gonna feed for 2 hours or 3 hours, because I'm gonna treat with a pill one by one. I'm going to separate that. I suggest you guys to vaccinate all the birds, raisin birds, stock birds. Best for young birds to come up. I know they cost a bit money, but in the end you got good results. Come on, come. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.